to my channel. It's time to introduce you my brand new paper collection, Farm Fresh. Stay tuned. Okay guys, Farm Fresh, I am going to introduce you my brand new paper collection. What do you see right now? So much happiness. So why did I came up with this? Well, first, every paper pack has 6 sets. So if I do the tutorials and I talk about one set of papers, then that's one set of papers, and in each paper pack are 6 sets. And in total they are 78 sheets, double-sided, so it's a big pack, absolutely. So I am gonna go through this. So why did I came up with this collection? Well, it's still winter in my time period, but we had a few darker collections, and I was definitely in the mood for some brightness, some lightness, and I came up with Farm Fresh. So yeah, it's a little bit spring, but it's a little bit early for that, but you never know. Alright, Farm Fresh. So the front, you already can tell all the paper, all the color that's inside, and of course I really love this image. I always do the most beautiful image in my head, in my imagination, on the front cover, just to give you the impression on how this paper collection is. And of course some flowers on the back. I loved it. This will be absolutely amazing on the front cover of your album or a nice card. Alright, so let's go to the back. Oh, I love this one. So you can use this direction even as well. Yep, you still can. And in all kind of angles you can use this papers. All the colors are in here. Yeah, all kind of words: vineyard, cow, plantation, barn, chick, cropland, you name it. Everything is inside, and I really like the little images inside, also in all kind of colors. I really like this. Easy to use. Then we have a beautiful cut apart page with a little ATC cards. And a little strip at the bottom, farmhouse. So you can use this as a strip, but also you can cut out the farmhouse word. Really like those images. It's so fun. Also for maybe a recipe album. It's cool to use all these. But also for a spring card or whatever you're gonna use this theme for, but I really like it. It's farm, it's with the eggs, but I think it's really also very good to be used for a recipe book album. Now I think of that. Not to think of that earlier, but I really like this. And then the back is to use a plain nice blue one. Always love that. So easy using. Then we have another cut apart page, but then with a larger card. Here is my most favorite image coming back. Here we have some milk and a vase with flowers. Here we have some seed bags. So you also can use this for making an album where you can put your seeds in. This is a very nice image for using happy birthday card. You can use it for everything. And this is also very good to be used for a little baby album. Absolutely. So this this paper is sorry guys, the morning frog is in my throat. So yeah, you definitely can use this in all kind of theme issues, theme albums, theme cards, you name it. Then we have some nice little, yeah, I call these wooden tags, tabs, I have no idea. So free range farm, bless our nest, welcome farmhouse, and a welcome to our farm. But yeah, of course the farm will be coming back more often. This I definitely going to use for a nice envelope closure, but then you can use 2 papers for that. But I really like this image, it's really nice. And you also can use this as a stamp, making an envelope. This is also very nice. Alright, let's go to the back, and of course I could not resist making another plane, but then in wet. It's so easy, I love that, and it fits so well with this paper collection. Alright, let's go to the next one. Here we have some leaves, and the back is brown and the leaves are a nice cream color. I love this, easy to be used, and I added a nice border with these beautiful little cows, and then with the yellow one. Easy to be used, you can cut it out, but you also can use it still in here with the papers. So cool. Sorry guys. And then we have a nice how you call this anyway, a little toil, I don't know, but it's have nice yellow flowers, and the background is really nice and grungy, and that's exactly what I like to use. So it's not just a plain paper, I really like the grunge in it. Alright, so then we have another cut apart page. Also, like I said, the flowers you can use for a birthday card. These images are absolutely amazing. I love the colors. I love the patchwork in it. You all know that I love patchwork. This barn is absolutely amazing. And then these little guys. This is absolutely perfect as well for a baby card album. So I really like this. Especially for those who lives on a farm and have a baby be born on a farm. This would be absolutely amazing. Okay, so then we have, but I did not make it for a baby album, but you can. So harvest daily, homemade bread, farm fresh eggs, home is. So that's definitely a recipe. Will also do amazing. Then okay, we have another nice background with all these little tiny leaves, very tiny little, nice grungy beige background, and then again a nice border. Again, I keep coming back. Normally I would do borders on one piece, but now I decided to do that on the page each one, so you still can use it. You don't have to cut them out each time. That's actually a bit, I save you the work. Alright, then we have another beautiful simple page with a wet one, and also a nice border with the chicken ones. Love that. And then the back we come back with the flowers, but then in wet. So this one is easy, is a little bit more vibrant than the yellow one, but absolutely amazing. I love it. Then we have another one with a ribbon, but then in blue, and also love this beautiful simple background, easy to be used. And I love this one. It's the same one as the first one, but then in blue with cream. Love this, easy to be used. Like I said, all kind of directions you can use this. Then I absolutely love it, but let me just pause me just 1 second. Okay, I absolutely adore this page. It's easy, it's vintage, it's grunge, it's everything. I really like this flower page, easy to be used. And then we have a nice brown one with this yeah, it's not gaze or something, but I really like it. The words are always a struggle for me. This one is one of my favorite ones, with the nice grungy flowers. I absolutely love this. Easy to be used in all kind of directions. Love, love, love this. And then we have the chicken, I call that chicken wire. I don't know exactly the word, but I really like this. It's in blue. Yeah, I could not resist making a nice big flower page, easy to be used for borders, for strips, filling up, just easy to be used, and I love all the color combinations. Still have a nice vintage touch with it. Love it. And then we have a nice, this is a yellow background with white leaves. It's almost, yeah, it's actually the same with the leaves with the yellow one with the brown, but I hope you can see this close. It's a very gentle yellow. I absolutely love it. Then we have another cut apart page with ATC size cards. Yep, I love this. I absolutely adore the sunflowers. Here we have some other flowers and some vase, and also the patchwork keeps coming back. I absolutely love it. You can watch this for minutes to see all the details in it, and I absolutely love it. And then I had some room left to add a nice border right here, Fresh Farm it says. Love it. So you can cut that out and you can use that. Then we have, yeah, of course, we come back with the chicken wire, but then in a nice beige grungy background with the chicken wire is nice brown, easy to be used. Then we have another cut apart page. Yep, we do have 5, I guess, this time. Yes. Love this. Look, I don't need to tell anything about these. Are just amazing, and I just get so many comments that the papers always looks so much better in your hand instead of right here on the camera. I wish I could film this so much better, but I really like to get the comments that the papers in life are so much better than it shows here on YouTube. So thank God for that. That is not the other way around. Alright, and then we had some space here for 2 borders. Country Roads it said right here. And this one says also Farm Fresh. I like it. So we have 2 extra borders, bottom and top. Then the back, oh, this is so nice and easy to be used. Really a nice grungy background with these beautiful brown flowers on it. I really like the grungy touch in it, so it's not that vibrant, it's smooth. I love that. And then we have another page, a nice wet one, but also a really nice vintage touch in it, so it's not that pure wet. No, it's really gentle wet. And we have that nice image going through. And then our last one, but not least, I really like to have a tractor in it. So we have a red tractor here on this page, a little chicken wire on the back, and then a nice, this I have no, yeah, it's klaproos in Dutch, but I don't know how it's called in English, but I really like that, and I really like the grungy in it. Could not resist. Really like this page. Absolutely stunning. Alright, so what do you think, guys? So yeah, I can say that this paper collection you absolutely can use for several occasions, which I I always love that it's not actually a baby theme page paper collection or just a Halloween paper collection. No, this absolutely, I can't take my fingers into the fire for you guys. It's gonna be used for several occasions. So a recipe, a baby album, a nice spring theme, it's everything, at least in my opinion. So I hope you liked it. So let's see what we can make with this. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.